So I'm going to be showing you how to change out the battery in your BMW M3 key fob. So this is for my BMW E92 M3. First thing you're going to need is a new battery, and then you're also going to need something flat like a flathead screwdriver, a knife, or just any like plastic removal tool. So you'll be using that to pop the battery out. So let's get to opening it. So first off, flip it on its backside, and there's a button right here, and if you don't know, this releases, you push it down and it releases the manual key. So push down, pull out. Do not freak out if you see grease, this kind of brown amber nastiness. That's just basically to keep your key lubricated in the event you ever need to use this to enter the vehicle. Any emergency situations where electronics are not working, you can still enter the vehicle with this key. So do not freak out if it just kind of looks nasty like this. So you can set that to the side because you won't need it. Now, what this little black piece of the key hid from you is this little slot where you're gonna slide something like this flathead screwdriver piece that I have. You're gonna basically slide it in there and pop. So pops the lid off, and then out is the old battery. So we're going to be replacing this with a CR20, I don't know if it's in view, there you go, CR20 32 battery. I'm kind of breaking the rule, but try not to touch the bottom of the battery because that over time can limit the effectiveness of the battery. But you're basically just going to slide it back in, and this was the thing you popped out. Put it back together, line it up, and push down. You should hear a nice audible noise to know that you did it right. And then you're going to slide your key back in, and you're good to go. Hope you liked this quick video showing you how to swap out the batteries in your BMW M3 key fob. Thanks for watching.